Hello friend, now we learn the blend command. To understand blend command, open a file, new, part, OK. Why we use a blend? To apply the different section on the trajectory. So we can use the blend command. Open the insert, select the blend, OK. Protrusion, first one protrusion. This defines the different option. To apply the blend, parallel. To apply the blend, rotational or a general. Okay, now sketch the section. Done. Attribute, first one attribute. In it means what? You can apply the section straight or a smooth way. So select. Done. Select the plane, then OK. Default. To apply the section, OK. Now to draw the one another section, please right click and toggle section. Now you can draw the one another section. OK. Now to draw another section, please toggle section. To draw the another section, please toggle this section. Okay, the important thing is that do not toggle the last section. Okay, press OK. OK. You can enter the depth of the section, different. First 1 and 2 between how many depth you can apply this way. Okay. OK. Now section 3 depth. OK. Now section 4 depth. OK. Now you can preview this part. OK. Now you can easily see this type of part. OK. Now you can use the blend command to apply the different section. OK. In the same way you can use the sweep command. You can also select the thin cut, thin protrusion in a blend command. OK. Thank you.